Hello friends, like, comment and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. कोलकाता के नियरेस्ट वीकेंड डेस्टिनेशन पर जो कोलकाता से लगभग 140 किलोमीटर दूर है। तो अभी हम एक ढाबा पे रुके हुए हैं थोड़ा टी ब्रेक लेने के लिए। और साइड में आप देख सकते हैं पूरा ग्रीन खेत यहाँ से जो दिख रहा है।
Hoping one day you'll make a dream last, but dreams come slow and they go so fast. You see it when you close your eyes. Maybe one day you'll understand why everything you touch surely dies. But you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Only know you can have.
Audio Jungle.
Purbasthali Bird Sanctuary is a haven for nature lover and bird lover and for the photographer also. And it is also famous as Chupi Char in East Burdwan. Here so many migratory birds come in the time of winter and many other times also. The name of the birds are purple maroon, little grab, laser whistle tails, black-headed eaves, kingfisher, red-crested pochard, marsh sandpiper, Asian pied starling, drongo, and blue-throated barbet. So many beautiful birds come here to just increase the beauty of the places. Here there is also the boat services to reach very closer to the birds, but in the day of festive day it is very difficult to manage a boat, so it is best to stay here one day to see the birds properly with enjoying within the nature properly. वर्धमान की पूर्वस्थली में है, वर्धमान डिस्ट्रिक्ट, वेस्ट बंगाल। वहाँ से निकल रहे हैं, अब घर जाने का टाइम आ चुका है। बहुत ही खूबसूरत नज़ारा है इधर।
Love is deep as the road is long. It moves my feet to carry. Beats my heart when you are gone. Love is deep as the road is long. Nobody knows how the story ends.